Hello guys, we are Vanilla&Pepper adventure team and today we are taking you on a Catamaran trip to Isla Mujeres. Today we will show you how to go from Cancun to Isla Mujeres and what you can see on the island. There are several options to choose from. First, purchase a ticket for the ferry that runs to the island every 30 minutes. Second, renting a private motorboat, the most expensive option. And the third, purchase a catamaran cruise with meals and snorkeling in the underwater art museum. As you can see, we choose option number 3 due to the fact that we love catamaran sailing and the opportunity to visit the underwater museum. Unfortunately, due to the water condition, large wave swimming was very unpleasant, not to mention observing the exhibits of the underwater museum. The weather was very cloudy and the swimming was more like a struggle for survival. I saw a few features sunk in the deep of about 5 meters, and I am very convinced that in fine weather visiting would be an amazing experience. We arrive at Isla Mujeres. Our first stop is at Playa Norte, where lunch is already waiting for us. Playa Norte is a beach on the northern tip of Isla Mujeres, which is one of the most beautiful beaches in the area. The water here is so shallow that you can walk about 50 meters into the ocean and still be just knee-deep in the water. It is a safe place for children to play. Even far from the shore, the water is as high as the chest. After lunch, we have an hour of free time to chill out. The beach is beautiful and the sand is white and very fine. Compared to the beach in Cancun, it does not make a huge impression, but it's still amazing. There is a beach club in Playa Norte offering food and refreshing drinks. Sunbed and umbrellas are included in the trip price. We get on the catamaran to swim about 400 meters to the marina at which the main promenade of the island begins. The staff puts on a wristband which gives you us a discount in the marina shop and which entitles us to taste tequila. As you can expect, the prices in the store are twice as high as in the shops on the promenade. Isla Mujeres, known as the Island of Women, is located about 8 kilometers off the northern coast of Mexico in the waters of Caribbean Sea. It's small as it's only 8 kilometers long and 800 meters wide. Where does the name of the Island of Women come from? According to one theory, the terms date back at last of the time of a Spanish pirate who made the island a refuge for their lovers when they themselves plundered the ports of the continent. Others say that the name of the island is related to the goddess of childbirth and weaving eggshell, whose many statues have been found here. There are practically no cars on the island. There are about 130 taxis, 500 golf carts, and 1,500 scooters. To a large extent, golf cars are the main mode of transport, which outweighs the number of cars. Most of tourists rent them for instead of scooters. The rental cost is 250 Mexican peso per hour, 800 Mexican peso for half a day and 1,200 for 24 hours. The charm of this place is precisely that is the opposite of the enormous tourist center of Cancun. There are not many extensive resorts here. The majority are small hotels or private accommodation. Most of the restaurants and places to stay are concentrated in the pedestrianized area of Hidalgo Street, in the main island town called El Cintero. While those planning a vacation in the Cancun area, consider Isla Mujeres a short trip. Woman Island may be a vacation destination. It is worth bringing a tequila from the outpour that we have not seen anywhere else. After a long tasting, we bought a few bottles here. This tequila tastes a bit different. The seller advised that we will not buy it anywhere outside the island. All houses are painted in a wide variety of colors with beautiful murals. They were painted in 2014 during Murals for Oceans, a street art festival to promote the respect and protection of endangered whale sharks that migrate to Isla Mujeres every year to feed on plankton. What else does the island offer? The first is swimming with the dolphins. This is one of the best attractions you can experience during your stay on Isla Mujeres. Unfortunately, you have to pay daily for it. Prices range from $60 to $200 per person, depending on what package you want to choose. The VIP package includes swimming with dolphins, dinner with VIP seats, swimming equipment, zip lines, full service. When planning a swim with dolphins, it is worth making a reservation and payment through the website. You can often find a discount. The second is a visit to a turtle farm. If swimming with a dolphin is not enough, be sure to visit this place. Entrance tickets are very affordable, 30 pesos per person. During the tour, you can buy food and feed your pets. The island is only 800 meters wide, so you will quickly get to the other side. The coast on this side of the island is not as attractive as on the Cancun side. Feel the refreshing wind. It's a good place to have a drink and cool off. Okay guys, thanks for watching. If you like the relation, give a subscribe and click a bell. More relations are coming soon. See ya!